What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this project we got this beautiful Pontiac G8 that came in. The paint was weathered, had some damage to the passenger side door, some damage to the hood, typical wear and tear, rock chips, old flake. The hood vents were broken as well. We ended up repairing the hood vents just because when we tried to find them, they were super pricey, even on the used market. We ended up just repairing them with fiberglass resin and putting them into place. The rear bumper also needed a little bit of addressing as well. Now, they were small dings, small chips, small wear and tear, typical older vehicle like this. So we decided to just repair it, to keep the repair small and give the whole vehicle an entire facelift. I went ahead and re-cleared the headlights too to give them some more life. After everything was painted, it was time to wet sand the entire car and get it ready for a polish, just because the old paint was weathered and showed signs of age. The customer did bring some new door handles that came in, paint to match, so painted those same color. Now on this one, the customer wanted to do some chrome delete on all the chrome trim, and we just felt it'd be just quicker and simpler to go ahead and just do vinyl wrap on these areas. So that's what I did. I went through there and just did vinyl wrap on all the chrome trim and deleted all the chrome. Overall, I was super happy with it. The customer was super happy with it. The car just had a new breath of life. You know, it just looked like a really, you know, good, clean car. And this is the final product, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you tuned in until the very end. We blacked out all the chrome trim, painted the front bumper, the hood, repaired those hood vents. We tried to replace them, but everywhere we found them, even on the used market, they were outrageously overpriced. So we decided to repair the old ones. Gave the entire car a nice little polish, and there it is. I'm super happy with it. The customer was super happy with it. So hope you guys tuned in to the very end. If you did, drop a comment down below, hit that like button for me, share this video, and as always, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Later.